Welcome, in front of me is ACER Nitro 5, and in this video I will show you how to get your cursor back on the screen in case your touchpad stopped working. Now, in case your touchpad isn't working right after Windows installation, what you have to do is press Windows, then Tab, then use arrow keys to navigate to settings, press Enter, and then Tab. Then use the down arrow key to navigate to Windows Update, and here press Tab until you hit this check for updates or download and install all button rather. Press Enter and the updates will be downloaded. You can also press Tab several more times until you hit this arrow icon next to Advanced Options. Press Enter, then press Tab several more times. Find optional updates, and here, well, it's hard to explain what you have to do here, but basically you have to check the hitbox next to each update you see here, and then press update and install all. And it's hard to explain how to do it using your keyboard, but basically you have to press Tab several times until you hit each of these options, then press spacebar to hit the checkbox next to it, then press Tab to go to the download and install option, and then the updates will start installing. Now, in case your touchpad simply isn't working, but it used to work before, you can try pressing the F button that is located next to the Windows button, and then press F2 with it. And if it didn't help you, press the same combination of keys again to enable your touchpad, just in case. Press Windows button, then Tab, then navigate to settings using your arrow keys, then press Tab once again. Use down arrow key to navigate to Bluetooth and devices. Press Enter, then press Tab several more times, or 5 more times, until you hit the drivers menu. And here, okay, I just noticed that the brightness is kinda high. Let me switch the brightness. Okay, and right now use down arrow key to go to touchpad, press Enter, and here you can toggle your touchpad by pressing the spacebar. If it didn't help, you can press Windows, then search for device manager. Once you find it, press Enter, then press Tab, then use down arrow key to navigate to human interface devices. Press right arrow key to expand this list, and then find I2C HID device right here. Press Enter to open it, then press Tab several times until you hit the general section, then go to driver using right arrow key, then press Tab 3 more times and press Enter, then left arrow key to select yes, and this way you will disable your touchpad. And now to re-enable it, press the Enter again, and now check if your touchpad is working, and if it's not, then press Tab once again to select uninstall device option, press Enter. Now you've uninstalled your touchpad, and what you have to do now in order to re-enable it is press Alt F4, then down arrow key. You have to press Alt F4 until you reach the desktop, and then press Alt F4 again to open this menu. Okay, so right here, use down arrow key to select restart, press Enter, and wait until your device is restarted. Okay, so now once your laptop is restarted, you can sign back into your account, and your touchpad should be working right now. If it's not, then first check all the previous steps that we did, like pressing Fn and F2 button at the same time, and also toggle in your touchpad and settings. And if your touchpad still isn't working, then I recommend contacting the ACER customer support center first, and letting them take care of your device or guide you through some troubleshooting steps. And if it doesn't help, then carry your laptop either to the nearest repair center or to the ACER repair center, and just like let them take a look at your hardware. There might be a hardware problem on your computer that enables your touchpad, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.